Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to appeal and get your restricted business manager account reinstated. As you can see, it says account restricted, and it says that this business portfolio isn't allowed to advertise. This is because the business doesn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies. So you can read to know the details. If you want to know the specific details of that policy, when you click here, it takes you to a new tab telling you exactly what you violated. Now, let me tell you, there are several reasons why your account may be restricted. Number one, it is normally one of the most popular reasons why your account may be restricted is that you violated a policy. There are a lot of policies if you come here, but sometimes people don't even read the policies. They just go to start advertising. Number two, it could be by mistake. Okay. Number three, your name, maybe your profile name or your business, you might have done something suspicious. Okay. And they want you to confirm your identity and they'll check whether you are the real person. So there are several reasons. In order to appeal, first of all, you just go to facebook.com on a computer. You cannot do this on a phone. So let me let you know that clear. You can't do it on a phone. Log into a computer. Then you come to the left-hand corner and click on Ad Manager. So it brings you to the, it logs you to the Ad Manager. So when you come to the Ad Manager, this is where it will bring you. Then you come to the left, click on All Tools and go to Business Support Home. Then it brings you here. So when it brings you here, now you do the appeal. Now, before you do the appeal, there are certain mistakes you have to correct. So what are those mistakes? First, you will need an ID card to do the identity verification. And the ID card you must have should match with your first and last name on your Facebook account. So for example, on my Facebook, if I'm using David as my first name, the David should appear. Whatever I use for my last name should appear on the ID card. And I can use, or typically the ID card you can use are national ID, passport, driving license, and then you can also use voter ID. So you log into your computer, click on the profile picture, go to go to settings and privacy. From there, go to settings. From settings, you scroll down and go to personal details. Personal details, you select your profile and check the first and last name. Check the first and the last name, make sure it is correct. If you don't put the first and last name correctly as on your ID card, you will have problem. Then you go to personal details, then check your date of birth. Make sure your date of birth is correct as it appears on your ID card. Okay. After that is done, come back to the account quality. And then this one, the Facebook Business Support Room was previously called account quality. So it's the same thing. Now, when you come, you click on, if you know all those changes, if you do all those changes, and also remember to check your gender. So for the gender, you come to your Facebook, click on your Facebook home page. Then you see your profile picture at the top left-hand corner. Then you go to the About section of your Facebook account. Then you go to Contact and Basic Info. Then you go to your gender. Make sure it matches with what is on your ID card. Okay. When that is done, you come and click on Request Review. But before we even request the review, sometimes you may need to write a letter, but let's get there. When we get there, I will let you know. And if you also follow this procedure at the end and you don't get a solution, please, I do services. I offer those services on how to get your account restricted. You can book a Zoom with me and I can be on Zoom with you, help you do a proper review request and set up your account properly, advertise effectively, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. I do all that. So you click on request review. So just copy the code. I selected that they should send the code to me by WhatsApp. I've got a code. You click on continue. You'll be asked to upload your ID card. So I'm uploading my ID. So you make sure you upload a correct ID that has the right information and represent exactly you. Then after you upload it, you click on continue. Then it will ask you, why are you requesting a review? I will select another reason. Then normally they will allow me to, they will give a space for me to write the reason. But it seems they have changed the interface. That particular part where I'm supposed to put the letter is not there. But if you are given a space to write, just write something like, let me just show you a sample letter from here. Something like, dear Facebook, my business manager has been restricted and this has affected my business greatly. I am told this business account doesn't comply with our terms, including, and then you just put, I will show you where you can code the law and put exactly there. Then you tell them, this one is a sample, but you can just tell them, oh, you haven't violated their policy and you comply with everything. You read their policies as indicated. You put the policies link and they will know that you've really read it. And you tell them that you are sure this one would really be a mistake. They should reconsider the decision and reinstate your account. So I'm clicking on request review. After you post it, you click on request review. It says you will hear back from us within 48 hours. So I'll wait within 48 hours and hear what will be the feedback. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. So within 48 hours, if you come back to this particular place, in fact, sometimes it doesn't even take 48 hours. Within 5 minutes, sometimes you get a solution. So when you come back and check, it is expected to be reinstated, because if you did not really violate any policy, your account will be reinstated. If you have any problem, leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp and Telegram link to contact me, and I'll help you. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye.